Same.
So one thing what I would want to say here is, I used to not make much of a notes. I'm not a note making person, but I could say that it might have costed me a few marks. So now, after maybe I married Srushti, I could see her notes. So I saw her notes which was lying in there at her house. She had made so much of notes. Maybe itna pura like ishtu doddu bundle notes ittu, and they were very crisp to the point, and she had made lots of notes, and maybe that has helped in her general studies score, I would say.
I always tell that the more organized your notes are, the more better your answers will come out to be. Reason being, our brain is like a library. And if you are not categorizing it into different subjects, if you just, keeping it, I'll just pick up from an overall yearly compilation and I'll be able to manage it, you will be able to manage it. But to ace the exam with good score and get the service of your choice, you will have to put in a bit more of it, right? So I would advise you to, make out your own this thing from the editorials at least. Rest current affairs you can cover from online websites. The next thing is static GS.
One more thing I would like to add in current affairs. So you get lot of value-added material from coaching institutes. Take from some reliable institute which make good current affairs notes. So you, as madam was telling, editorial notes ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬೇರೆದಕ್ಕೆ you try to depend upon some institute notes if you are not so much into note making. But if you are doing it very well and good. And coming to static GS, what we both thought was like static GSLE, it is note making is very individual. This one choice. So you may choose to make notes for maybe history or